Hello friends, as we have started preparation of amines, already we have completed two methods for the preparation of the amine. Today we are going to discuss third method. That third method, the preparation of amine is by reduction of amides. Means what is firstly we will discuss that amides. So if we consider these amides, functional group of amide is C double bond O NH2. This is the functional group of the amide. Means one side alkyl group is there and to that another side of the carbonyl group NH2 group will be there. So here we can say that this is the structure of the amide. From that amide we have to convert into the amine. So here what is the condition? Listen carefully. This is very important because another one method is also there for the preparation of the amine from amide. But in that method we are getting the amine with less number of carbon. Means in that product there is a formation of a one less carbon containing amine. But here we are getting the amine with the same number of carbon. Means R group will be as it is. That C double bond O that will directly converted into CH2 NH2. So in this way we are getting this same number containing amine. So this is the method. Now which reagent we have to use? For that one we have to use the lithium aluminium hydride in ether, as well as we can say that another one reagent is also that we can use here, sodium in ethanol. Hope so everyone remember that. What is that point? For the conversion of nitro group, for the conversion of CN means cyanide group, and for the conversion of amide into amine, there is a common reagent, and that common reagent is lithium aluminium hydride in ether. So keep in mind that this is very important. So hope so everyone understood that conversion. So in that what is the main point? Main point is that here in the reduction of the amides we are getting the amine with the same number of carbon. So simply we will write here when amide undergo reduction with lithium aluminium hydride in ether, or sodium in ethanol, it gives primary amine with the same number of carbon atoms, because one reaction we are going to discuss, that is the Hofmann bromamide degradation. In that also we are getting the amine from the amide, but in that whatever number of the carbon present in that amide, we are getting one less carbon in that amine. That's why this is the another one method which is for the preparation of the amine from the amide. So keep in mind that when there is a product with the one less number of carbon, we have to use Hofmann bromamide degradation method, but when there is a amine with the same number of carbon, then we have to prefer the reaction, that is by using lithium aluminium hydride in ether or sodium in ethanol. So this is the another one method for the preparation of the amine. Thank you all of you.